People, welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today we are going to bad mind another artist. This time Mavado. Feel the rhythm, feel the ride, get on up, it's bad mind time. Like I telling you why Mavado is a massive disappointment. Of course, him fans them and even him tell us in a business about no look YouTuber. So look YouTuber can go suck him in a business if you want disappointed or not. You having money and in care and in your house. Alright, that's fine. I'm going to tell you why I think Mavado is a massive disappointment. One of the biggest disappointment in dancehall history. Yes, in history. Before I go into that, I have two Patreon birthday shout out. The first one goes out to NJ. That's the sister of Eva Marie. Real PIA and Patreon squad veteran. So look YouTuber. My sister's birthday. It's actually a belated birthday, but you don't know it already. We'll drop it on this Sunday. NJ from your sister link the look YouTuber and say, shout her out for me. Let me know say you're a real sister, me know say real love today. Big up yourself NJ, big up yourself Eva Marie. Every day upon this earth where you're healthy. Now if you lie down in a hospital upon the whole heap of tube and something, it's a blessing. If you make use of it. So we big up NJ, I will not talk about New Jersey. See? Yeah man, and Eva, you don't know. I don't have to say nothing. Right, you know it guy already. Next up we have Ranger. Ranger birthday was the 31st. Today shout out at you. Ranger has been a member of the Patreon squad since 2020. May 2020. You do the calculations on that and work out how long we are talking about. I not just know. Ranger one of them people that even though we might not talk weekly or daily like some other people, but when him link up, it's always a positive vibe. Either him yell me up or me yell him up. It's a good look. Nah, like Ranger, big up yourself, you know. Big up yourself. She Ranger really deserve the name in her car. When you think about a Ranger, you think about action. Just like the US Rangers or Walker, Texas Ranger. You think about action and so Rangers, the action. Big up yourself. Long time veteran of the Patreon squad. Truly appreciate the support. Happy birthday in a Ranger. One more year upon them. I'm busy with that say. Talk about Mavado. One of the biggest disappointments in disappointment. One of the biggest. No, you ever say, oh, just true, you see. Just you see Mavado link with DJ Calories. That's why you're a bad man, the youth. I already tell you how them DJs stay. These DJs only care about themselves, right? The amount of ghetto youths that dash of them life. See Mavado, but them a fight war in a man name, and them youth there right now have criminal record, can't go yes and can't go yes, so can't do this, can't do that. And see a man with them that war for. A skin teeth right now, said a DJ Calories. But me telling you that long time, so that's not news. That can't be nothing will disappoint me or surprise me. That's not what this video is about. Yes, me know an artist and bad mind artist, but just listen to me I say and then you can tell me to go something more afterwards. When Mavado first touched on the scene, he have one of the biggest boss in a bus down. Me don't know if you remember that. When Mavado boss, it was flabbergastroenteritis ific. I remember it clearly. Mavado boss was big boss. The extra daps did have tune. And people that say, oh yeah, the extra daps. And then him have the tunes. All if you have 10 man, he want to be 11. And all kind of something and then career just fly gone. So we've seen all kind of artists boss. We've seen all kind of artists have feed them space, feed them time. Even enough people who might not even remember, right? Did have feed them time. You must say have DJ like Miss Alex or well, then time they Alexus. Then call him. Lexus did have full 100 and then place there and ring off Miscelli and did have the place away. So we've seen a whole heap of artists boss. But Mavado boss was a different type of boss. Mavado had dancehall in a stranglehold when he boss. him simply couldn't miss. Mind you, some of the things he was saying had to be written from a pen dipped in the lakes of hell. Some of Mavado's tune them from them time there highly acidic and destructive. However, Mavado also demonstrated that he had something in him that made him capable. Me identify something in a Mavado, and I'm not alone, because my reasoning with the bridging them, matter about in a real life and even in the Patreon squad. I'm telling the bridging of the Patreon squad say, me have to even drop the video about this. Because this is a conversation we have amongst yourself, man and man. We talk about certain artists. Mavado was given a gift that if he used it for positive, Mavado, let's get something clear. So you have DJ and you have DJ. You have some DJ who like, yeah man, him bad man, him have tune and him have tune. But then you have other DJs who clearly have the ability to can take society or a culture and move it in a direction. In a time when bleaching around the place and all kind of something around the place, Mavado was saying, hold on, me not depend that. Such man had the culture and society saying at this around the place, and Mavado was saying, no, in go so at this we depend. Mavado had the ability to counter such man and his acidic, demonic nature and tunes, but Mavado ended up succumb to the very thing he had the ability to stop. Mavado, I've said it before, Mavado's positive songs are some of my favorites from any artist. Remember say even the artists who put out quote unquote bad man song, even them have only one and two good tune and quote unquote good tune, them like it's like even such man have some quote unquote uplifting tunes and positive tunes. But when you talk about truly inspirational, Mavado can do that better than such man. Such Sprat can do the dark demonic thing rougher than Mavado, because evidently there are certain things even Mavado not willing to say and do. Such man went as far as to say to him body no must know God. Such Sprat rougher on the darker side of things. But on the light side of things, we're talking about light we shine now, we're not talking about light like complexion. But on the lighter side of things, Mavado did that better. And Mavado himself know when he might do evil and when he might do good. That is why Mavado says, Stephen, this one no evil, it will uplift the people. Mavado know, say song can evil. I don't know if you listen to me. And Mavado know, say song can uplift people. Even though them sit down and tell them, say, yo, end of the day, dog, I just words, dog. It's massive, dog, I just words, dog. Are you for real repeating them, man? I just words. Unicorn me. Them know, say, this song, when this play, a dark and evil presence come over the dance. Them know that. Them know, so when this song play, man, I listen that with a dark, evil meds. Them know that. That is why Mavado say, Stephen, this one is not evil, it is to uplift the people. Mavado has the ability, well, I don't know if he still have it, but back then he had the ability to elevate the culture to a different level. But Mavado end up succumb to dopey bat-itis. And when me see Mavado son get caught up in the madness, which I've been telling already, I was extremely annoyed when time me say look you got jail. Mavado rich and have all kind of contacts. Buy out case. Case get dashed where son get Lego. And even after that, Mrs. Smaddy sent me one tune recently with Mavado though. I could not believe Mavado make a song like that in this day and age. I could not believe what Mavado was DJing about in 2025. I could not believe after I reached him with his quasi-donship attempt. After I reach him son, after I reach him friend them, Mavado still could take microphone and utter certain words. I'm see people big, yeah man, Mavado mad again dog, Mavado mad again like the dog gone back 10 years and ready for go. You Irish Saxons are vile. Somebody need to tap Mavado upon him shoulder and say, yo, lucky but it's over. Mavado have something in him that if he had tapped into it, if he had refused to be like every other dopey bot, which is gonna dance out, sing be a bad man song and crack, and if he had rejected that culture permanently and focus on the songs where even him say uplift the people, me da love to see Jamaica. Me da love to see cassava peace. Me da love to see it. Me da love to see it. He was that powerful. But Mavado have a voice and a sound where him can capture a large audience where if he wants to become like some kind of preacher or singer in a church, him can make enough man go baptized. You see me back in the day of Sister Scully and Grace Chillers and them people we just have that sound. You see, I don't know how to describe it. All I can say is that sound because I don't know how to describe it. But some people have that sound. Mavado have that sound. When him channel it to badness, it sounds extra vile. Where them a do, where them a try. This Irish Saxon turned a murder song into something where a kindergarten picnic could have catch. Picnic sing that I don't even know what them a sing. They the real Macan. You're thinking, is this a bad man song or is this something I should be singing with the kids? You don't even know. You have to listen good to say, hold on, oh, a murder I talk about? That's how talented that Irish Saxon is. If he did use that for good, me da love to see. He's weak because him have it in him, but him realize, oh, death and destruction give more hype and it might make you get more stage show and it might get more forward, alright, over here so. And that might be true for some people, but not Mavado. Mavado could hit with positive songs just as hard as how him hit with death and destruction. That shows you that if him did stay upon that route, he would still be a successful artist, and that is why I'm so disappointed in Mavado. An artist like Skillibeng does not have the range for the positive songs back to back to back and hit. If Skillibeng now the theme style at dancehall, and me go to boom and me get the coke, and then me get the so me get the coke and it turn to one joke. Ha ha ha, start smoke. If Skillibeng don't stick to that style, Skillibeng withers into witherdom. However, Mavado have the range for can do hope and pray and them song there and still make people want to go in a big numbers to go watch him perform. But he chose death and destruction. Even after what reach him son, what reach him still a dibble and dabble. You know, something that should long be rejected. It has to be studied. That's why Mavado is a big disappointment to me. One of the most powerful artists never see, one of the most powerful dancehall artists never see. And everybody can sing an uplifting or a positive tune and make it sound good enough. Mavado positive song them sound like something we sing in a church. It's almost like him, somebody female was some kind of pastor or something like that. You know, saying father was some kind of rasta. Cause such man say, you know, Gwyneth kill him, the barber renter dread father and all kind of something. But Mavado obviously good thing about him. If him become Muslim, he may draw enough man to Islam. If he turn Christian, he may draw enough man to the church. If he turn Rasta, he may draw enough man to Bobo Hill. But him chuckle for badness and draw enough youth to the crime and destruction. Then he take away himself and now he's living in luxury. While enough of the youth is run back at him. I'm not even talk about him fans. I mean, youths them used to actually run back a gully. Enough of them dead under prison right now. Long forgotten. Has to be studied. Very powerful artist. But eventually, like all weak men, him just want to fit in and do everybody do. Has to be studied. Very disappointing. Too many what ifs. What if that man did it? What if this DJ take that direction? What if that and what if this? Talent is not equal. See, there's some artists where even if they spend them whole career talking about good and nice things, they would have very little impact on society. Like somebody like Roger Weil and them people, Skilly Bang and them people, if then they choose one next path and decide they would never ever ever can bend society in a certain direction. They just don't have it like that. That's no diss to them. It's just what it is. But somebody like Mavado, if from day one him said this me upon no evil, me I go just uplift the people, me I love to see the direction. But in the end him sell out. Them confused all over the place. Me see him all back side of DJ calories. Anyway, the money and the hype they say them there. It has to be studied. Anyway, that's enough bad minding for today. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.